Well, hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. It is Al. I'm not in the loft yet. I'm in the hobby room at the moment. Lots going on. We've just suffered Storm Kieran last night with 80 to 90 mile winds here in the south coast, and it disappeared up the channel, I think, just missing us. So that woke me up early this morning. Now what am I up to? I'm working today on my products. There's lots of other things going on. Let me show you. Well, as well as many other things, I've been servicing a few locos. This one, a Buckland split chassis. I don't know what it is. I'll have to look it up. What was wrong with it? I bought it off eBay damaged, and it said something wrong with the wheels. Well, what happened? The drive axle here had completely gone spaz and gone completely out of cauterizing, so I've had it apart. It's quite a nice piece of mechanism. It's a split chassis, and I've re-cauterized it, and hopefully we're going to see it running this afternoon on the layout. Good looking loco, don't you think? So that's number one. Number two is the return of Evening Star, who is now hardwired to its tender, and it's got a metal drawbar, a homemade metal aluminium drawbar, so she's now permanently attached and wired to its motorised tender. So I have that going along with another 9F that I've got. I've also invested in a little airbrush and compressor unit. Yes, so it comes with two guns. It's an eBay find. Come with two guns and a lovely little compressor. So that's going to be weathering up my track and who knows what else. And of course spraying my products. That's what it's for. I'm also refilling my glue bottles because I've got quite a bit of work to do. And I'm my second gallon can. It's cheaper to buy that. So I've done about 1.5 gallons of PVA on the layout so far. And here goes some more. Well, why are the funnels draining slowly there? What else have I got? Well, this is the workbench. This is a stand-up workbench. It's at standing height. I've invested in some electricery. Ready? Oh, wow, look at that. LED light. That's wonderful. This is on a plastic strip. It doesn't weigh anything. So this is my work area. Right, now let's get back to talking trains. Yeah, buying it in gallons is much better than buying it in 500 or 75 millilitres. It costs so much more, and they don't call me PVA J-Cloth Allen for nothing, you know. So one for the loft, one for the hobby room, and these are my little Metcalf bottles, I think, that I use all the time. So that's enough talking about glue. Let's get back to playing trains. Here we go. Well, welcome back to the loft. Here we are again. Put the other lights on. There we go. The last running session up here was with grandson. So there's figures and things all over the place. Let me just put a few things right before we start. There we go, work has resumed in the station as normal. And we got somebody sitting on the bench there. So we'll leave him there, that's quite fine. Alright, time to run some trains. Oh, the mess is everywhere. Right, here we go. I think I'll try out the service locos first. Done about 20 laps now in the forward direction, so let's try it backwards now. It is a little bit jumpy still, but may not have been run for years. There comes the lovely old N2. And there she is. I think she's done quite a good job. I'm going to take her off now and put the Evening Star on, give her a running, and we'll bring her back, put a couple of carriages on her. Well, Evening Star's on the track now. This was given to me by Monjum Mick. Hasn't really turned the wheels in, well, probably from the 70s, or yeah. It's a trying Hornby, so let's give her a whirl. She has had a service and it's on my homemade drawbar, so she's permanently attached and hardwired, so off you go. Oh, looking promising. Right, she's away, give her a running in. She's doing alright. There you go, Mick, she runs really nice for a tender drive. Happy with that, so we give her a load now. Right, well, she hasn't done any work on this layout. We'll see how she gets on with a small parcels train. Oh, look at that, that's nicely done. Okay, darling, off you go. Good luck. Yeah, she's away. Well, she's away nicely. It's a good old dapole on the coal train. I've got to be honest, I haven't cleaned these rails since before I went on holiday. I mean, that was quite a while back now. I must get those two rail cleaners working. Come on, Evening Star, be on time. Yes, there she is. I think she's doing okay. She hasn't got a light train. I think she's doing okay. I must get some work done up there. This is fairly steady. Fairly steady. This little 060 Bachmann is he's not doing very well at all. I'm going to take her back to the hobby room for another go. She's not happy. She smells a bit ozony as well. The dapole N2 after a service is back to her normal self. Happy as. And there she goes. Off you go, darling. Bring something else in now. Well, believe it or not, the J4 N2 with the coal train on Went all the way up the 1 in 30 and through the back of the station. And she's waiting there for a clear road. Yeah, busy, busy. Right, time for a change. Good old fine next. Come on. Get your bum working. Go on. Nothing but trouble. It's getting better slowly. Where's the dinner down there? Where are you? Feeling the strain. There she goes. We're going to get all four passing. Who's next? Yeah, there goes the little backman. Evening start, he's just settled down a bit now. Oh, he wants the S15. Where are you? Come on, S15, where are you? Hurry up now. That petrol tank is going a bit quick, isn't it? Right, that's 1, 2. Who we got next? I think we got one missing. Yeah, we've got one missing. Who's that? No, not you. Yeah, we got one missing. This who is missing. Look, she's had a mishap. There she is, there she is, there she is. She's as good as gold, really. So right, we'll send them away and I'll say goodbye to you all. Go on, you can go first then, Mr. Lily Dad. You can't grumble at that for an old trying now, can you? Getting better. Evening start, off you go. Bit jerky still. Well, thanks for watching. I must do some work up here. Yeah, just so much work to do, it's unbelievable. But, yeah, all coming soon. Yeah, dirty rails, look at that. With all those wheels picking up, still stalled a little bit there. But take care everybody. Thumbs up, give us a like, share and tell your mates about Buckland Junction. Take care for now. Short running day today. I don't know. Bye. I don't know.